We all love to talk about winning, those perfect green days when everything seems to go our way. But what really defines us as traders isn't how we handle our winners. It's what we do when the trade turns against us. Today, I want to share why the true strength in trading is the ability to walk away from a losing trade like a king, and how this simple act can save not just your account, but your confidence and your future. Let me start by telling you a story that still humbles me to this day. Early in my trading journey, I came across what looked like the perfect setup. The chart was beautiful, all my indicators lined up, and in my head, I had already spent the profits. I entered the trade with absolute conviction, and at first, it moved in my favor. But then, it turned. At that moment, something dangerous happened. Instead of seeing the chart objectively, I saw what I wanted to see. I told myself, it's just a pullback, it'll bounce. Minutes turned into hours, the losses got bigger, and my fear turned into stubbornness. Instead of closing the trade, I added to it. Double down, I thought. This will prove I'm right. But the market didn't care what I believed. The price kept falling, and finally, after hours of stress, frustration, and denial, I closed the trade. The loss was huge, far beyond what I'd planned. In the aftermath, sitting there staring at my screen, I felt two kinds of pain. One was the financial loss, but the deeper pain was knowing I'd betrayed my own rules. That moment when I stopped trading my plan and started trading my hope. That day taught me one of the most important lessons I've ever learned. In trading, it's not your winners that make you. It's your ability to keep your losers small. See, anyone can press buy. Anyone can hold on to hope when the trade turns against them. But it takes true discipline and humility to say, this isn't working. I'm walking away. Walking away doesn't mean you're weak. It means you're strong enough to protect what truly matters. Your capital, your clarity, and your confidence. The market is bigger than any one of us, and it will humble anyone who trades from pride instead of discipline. There's a saying I've come to love. Your first loss is your best loss. It means that the sooner you admit you're wrong and get out, the smaller the damage, and the sooner you're ready to take the next trade. The opposite, holding on, hoping, adding to losers, is how small red days become catastrophic days. And catastrophic days are what destroy traders, not the occasional small loss. Think about it this way. If you had just one small loss every now and then, you'd barely remember it. It would be a footnote in your trading journal. But when you refuse to walk away, that small loss becomes something you remember for months. It scars your confidence. And worst of all, it makes you hesitate the next time a good setup comes along. The irony is that the act of cutting a loser quickly, something that feels like admitting defeat, is actually what gives you power over the market. You're telling the market, I don't need to be right every time to win over time. If you have given our team to prepares, to him trad. And that is the mindset of a king. Because kings don't chase battles blindly. They know when to retreat. They step back, regroup, and look for the next opportunity with a clear head. In trading, you can't avoid losses, but you can absolutely control the size of those losses. And that discipline is the difference between traders who last and traders who blow up. Come into myself as you have a namas coming to you, and Desayasn't, in even nowhere you do step in the news other play. I look back at that painful trade now with gratitude. It was expensive, yes, but it taught me something that no book or course could teach me. That mastery isn't found in winning big, it's found in losing small. Coming to the difference that doesn't probably decide, it taught me that every trade is just one trade out of thousands I'll take in my lifetime. My ego can't pay my bills, but my discipline can. The moment I say I was wrong, and that's okay, is the moment I free myself to trade the next opportunity without baggage. Walking away like a king means accepting that trading isn't about being right. It's about being resilient. It's about protecting your capital, your mental clarity, and your future. So next time you see your trade slipping into red and that voice in your head whispers, just hold, it'll turn. Remember this. The strongest move you can make isn't to fight the market. It's to step back, take the small loss, and live to fight another day. That's how you keep your losses manageable. That's how you stay confident and sharp. And ultimately, that's how you build a career, not just a lucky streak. Walk away from a losing trade like a king, calm, decisive, and with your head held high. Because in the end, it's not about avoiding losses. It's about making sure no single loss can ever define you. That, my friends, is the real pathway to long-term profitability. We'd love to hear what you think. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you. Thank you for watching.